Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to repel mosquitoes using natural methods. I will talk about many natural products. But first, I want to warn you that some people may be allergic to these products. For this reason, drop a drop into the palm of your hand and wait for half an hour. If you notice any redness in your palm, do not use this product. Our first method is lavender. Mosquitoes hate the smell of lavender. Now, let's take a look at how we will use lavender. Dropping a few drops of lavender oil on your skin will keep mosquitoes away from you throughout the day. This application is effective in closed areas by 93% and in open fields by 58%. If you're using an air freshener, you can use one that has a lavender scent. However, this wouldn't be a natural method. For this reason, add about 10 drops of lavender oil to 1 liter of water and you can spray it in various places around the room using a spray bottle. You can grow lavender in a pot on your balcony. This will repel the mosquitoes. Or if you have a garden, plant lavender. It smells wonderful and will also keep the mosquitoes away. The second method is tea tree oil. It grows along the coasts of Australia. It should not be confused with the tea plant. This oil has antiseptic, antimicrobial, and infection-preventing properties. It is especially strong against mosquitoes. Apply the scent to sheer curtains or door beads. You can also add 4 to 5 drops into 1 liter of water and use it in the same way with a spray. Drop a drop of tea tree oil on the area where the mosquito bit you and rub it in. In a few hours, there will be no trace left there. The third method to repel mosquitoes is vanilla. While the smell of vanilla is very pleasant to us, mosquitoes can't stand it. Our method is vanilla. While the scent of vanilla is very pleasant to us, mosquitoes can't stand it. You definitely won't see any mosquitoes in an environment with the scent of vanilla. You can use a vanilla-scented spray as an air freshener, but this won't be a natural solution. For this reason, we will make our own spray. Mix 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract into a glass of water. Spray it on yourself. Spray this treatment around you when you are sitting in your garden or when you see mosquitoes. You'll see the benefits. Make sure that the vanilla extract we use to make the spray doesn't contain sugar or alcohol. It needs to be pure vanilla. If the vanilla extract you use contains sugar and alcohol, its effectiveness will be reduced by 50%. Our fourth method is black pepper. Black pepper doesn't kill mosquitoes. It only prevents them from biting you. At the same time, black pepper masks your scent, and mosquitoes can't sense you. The black pepper you use in your meals will release a scent when it's expelled with sweat. This is an effective scent. However, if you're looking for a more effective method, you need to use black pepper oil. At the beginning of my video, I mentioned that you should first do a test to see if certain oils can harm your skin. Black pepper oil is one of the most effective oils that can harm your skin. For this reason, first, drop it onto your skin. Don't drop too much. You could harm your skin. For this, drop a drop onto your hand. Spread it with your other hand and wait for half an hour. They say, if there's no redness on your skin, then there's no problem. But still, don't let your guard down. You did the test and there are no issues. Again, in your own mixtures. If you want to use it in spray form, add 5 drops of black pepper oil to 1 liter of water and you can spray it on your arms and legs. As I said, this won't kill the mosquitoes, but with this spray, they won't be able to sense your scent and they won't bite you. Our fifth method is apple cider vinegar. Mix apple cider vinegar in a 1-to-1 ratio. So, combine half a liter of water with half a liter of apple cider vinegar and put it into a bottle. The one you put into the bottle. If you want, pour some of this mixture into a glass and place it at the bottom of the window, in places where you don't want flies to come. Because of this scent, the flies will stay away. At the same time, put this mixture you prepared into a spray bottle and spray it in places where you don't want flies to come. They definitely won't come to those places. If you want to enhance the effect of this mixture, you need to add organic lemon oil. You need to drop it. So, it's not lemon juice. or the lemon itself. Organic lemon oil. Drop a few drops of organic lemon oil into this mixture. Don't forget to shake it. If you go outside, spray it on your legs and arms. Mosquitoes will stay away from you. There are some explanations that say that if you eat foods prepared with apple cider vinegar, mosquitoes will not bite you. These are not definitive facts, but if you use this mixture as a spray, the results will please you. The sixth method. This method is for killing mosquitoes. Soapy water. Put it aside in your home. Put some soapy water. When preparing the soapy water, wait for the soap to dissolve completely in warm water. Don't forget to foam it up, especially the foaming. The more soap you use, the more effective it is. Mosquitoes, flies, bedbugs, ants, and many insects are attracted to this liquid, and they get inside, and once they do, they drown. Our seventh method is mint. Like vanilla. They also don't like the smell of mint. According to research conducted at Iowa State University, mint keeps fruit flies away. You can keep fruit flies away by eating mint. Of course, don't increase the dosage. You can, especially, choose to make your salad with mint, or you can add mint leaves to your drinks. This will keep the fruit flies away from you. Like most products, mint also has an oil. If you want, you can use mint oil. You can apply it directly to your body. It will keep mosquitoes away from you. Or into a spray bottle. Drop a few drops of mint oil. Mosquitoes won't want to come back again. It will also be beneficial to grow mint in the garden or in a pot. You will add fresh mint, and it will keep mosquitoes away from you. You can watch my video about growing mint in a pot from the link above. Hope method. Basil. We know that the smell of basil is effective in keeping mosquitoes away. Every summer, we always put a pot of basil on our balcony, so that mosquitoes don't bite us when we sit outside in the evening. Most of the friends who go camping definitely take a small basil plant with them. However, taking care of basil is not that easy. They can wilt very quickly. For this reason, I recommend using basil oil, just like with other products. It would be beneficial to add a few drops of basil oil into a spray bottle. 9. This method may be unbearable for some, but it's an effective method against mosquitoes. Garlic. Garlic has a smell that mosquitoes can't stand. If you eat a clove of garlic, mosquitoes won't come near you. Just like with other products, there is also garlic oil. It will be enough to add about 2 or 3 drops of garlic oil into 1 liter. When you go to any camp with this spray you've prepared, instead of using insect repellents, you can spray this spray around the tent. You can spray it on top of the tent. If you're in a really tough situation, you can also spray it on yourself, your feet, and your arms. This will not only keep mosquitoes away, but also other pests at bay. As you can see in the photo, you can also try this for yourself if you want. Squeeze garlic in one hand, and don't do it with the other hand. The easiest method is to go next to an ant nest and extend both hands at the same time. The hand where you've squeezed the garlic oil will not attract ants. 10. Method. This method. Now, we will place the mixture in a jar in a corner of our room, which is a formula that will make the mosquitoes go crazy and die. First of all, depending on the size of our jar, a small to medium-sized jar will be sufficient. We fill the jar halfway with Himalayan salt. We add 5 drops of lavender oil, 5 drops of tea tree oil, and 5 drops of garlic oil on top. When we use it, we open the jar and place it on the windowsill. The scent it releases will drive all the flies and mosquitoes around into a trance and make them faint. And it will also kill some of them. If you liked my video, please remember to hit the like button, and if you want to watch my next videos, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.